We have so much stuff that's new. We have our newest pre-roll family of machinery, a whole new family of vision systems, and more turnkey automation. We've now just introduced, I would call it a medium rate pre-roll machine. We typically focus on high speed, high performance, and now this is our first medium production rate, high performance pre-roll machine. So what we found is that there's a lot of small, medium-sized businesses or larger businesses in smaller states that don't need such high production rates. So typically we've played into the high-speed space of 2,000 to 4,000 joints an hour, and this new model will produce about 500 to 600 an hour. So the reception's been really nice. So our new vision system is the first ever 360-degree camera system to inspect pre-rolls. So it'll take photography 360 degrees and it'll look for holes, inconsistencies, depth inconsistencies, tail length, trim length, and all these different facets, and completely eliminates human labor from having to do that. So that's been an amazing reception at the show. So companies often might have 4 to 10 people that are just inspecting pre-rolls. And that's on a manual pre-roll line, not on an automated pre-roll line. So we see the big market is for actually manual hand packing companies. Secondly, I've never met two people that could agree on what a good joint is. So now you can set your settings and the computer and the camera system will make sure the joint is exactly what the company wants each and every time. There's reporting and data logging. So that's really critical because companies are really focused on delivering the exact same product every time. We've actually had a lot of companies come here very interested in it to add it to other pre-roll machines they've seen at the show that they might own to audit those as well. So that's been really great. It can play with any third-party automatic pre-roll machine. Okay. So we look forward to working with everybody in the industry. You can do up to 3,000 an hour. So it's already faster than every competing pre-roll machine in the market. Either you can have a conveyor that's going to load it automatically, or you can hand load them. And then we're going to index them one by one. We're going to spin the pre-roll 360 degrees, take all the photography, and then whichever matches the parameters will be allowed to eject. And anything that gets rejected will go into a separate bin for rework or repackaging. We can receive from a pre-roll machine or receive manually, and then we can fill a container or a tube automatically, or have it go into a bin. Depending on the state you're in or even the country, you might have to batch product. Meaning, you're going to do your inspection, it's going to go into a batch bin, you might put it in a vault or for inspection and then repack later. Or if you want to do it completely in line, you can do that as well. We can drop that individual pre-roll right into your tube. So we're showing a lot of our integrated lines, automatic pre-made pouch filling, gummy counting. So we do a lot in the gummy space, counting from 2 to 30 packs, and really demonstrating our full line integration. As opposed to piecemealing from multiple vendors, we're showing how we can take you from A to Z, one company, one service department. Well, we're about a 300 employee company with a very large and well-financed engineering development department. So we employ about 30 engineers between mechanical and automation, and we invest significantly in new products, innovation, and product refinement. So we realize that this is an incredibly exciting industry. It's forever growing, but we want to always remain as an industry leader. I can appreciate that every year there's a new copycat at the show. I can point out a bunch of them right now. But you know what? As long as we're always investing in innovation, they're always going to be one step behind us because they can only start the copying process once they see it.
Right.
So that's always been our approach. Is the copycats will do what the copycats do, and we're going to focus on the future.
Sort of, if you're taking the temperature of cannabis, how do you feel about it?
I'm halfway through this show. I feel like there's an incredible reinvigoration. I feel reinvigorated. I think we've met so many purposeful decision makers at the expo that are here looking for automation and how to be more efficient within their business. So I leave the show, I leave the first day of the show and halfway through this show today feeling great. I really think everyone here, everyone I've met, is committed They're excited about their business and they seem to be doing well. I think what's really important, and with all the solutions that we do bring to the show, because we try to bring as many pieces of automation that we can, is we are bringing clients always back to our Las Vegas corporate office and our facility, where we're running a whole gamut of actual cannabis on our packaging machines. So we want customers to come visit us, let us prove it to you in person. Let's run cannabis on our machines to make sure that you're making the best investment possible. We want you to meet us, see who you're working with, meet our people, see our processes, and see the quality of machinery in person all the time. And we respectfully ask you to do that with any vendor that you meet. Thank you, appreciate it.